Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Camry alternator. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This crucial step prevents electrical shorts and potential injury. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you begin. You will need a few basic tools, including a 13mm socket, a 14mm socket, and a serpentine belt tensioner tool. Having these ready will make the process much smoother. Next, we need to gain access to the alternator. Begin by locating the serpentine belt tensioner, which is typically found near the alternator itself. Using your serpentine belt tool, apply pressure to release the tension on the belt. Carefully slide the belt off the alternator pulley and other accessories. Depending on your Camry model, you might find it helpful to remove the front passenger wheel and inner fender splash guard for easier access to the alternator bolts. Now let's remove the old alternator. First, disconnect the main power wire, usually secured by a 10mm nut, and then unplug the electrical connector. These are typically located on the back of the alternator. Next, you will need to remove the two main mounting bolts. One is often a 14mm bolt at the top, and the other is a longer 14mm bolt at the bottom. Once unbolted, carefully wiggle and pull the old alternator free from its mounting bracket. Finally, it's time to install your new alternator. Carefully slide the new unit into position, ensuring it aligns with the mounting holes. Reinstall the two mounting bolts, tightening them firmly to secure the alternator. Reconnect the main power wire and the electrical connector, making sure they are snug. Route the serpentine belt back onto all pulleys, then release the tensioner. Reconnect your battery, start the engine, and check your dashboard for any warning lights, confirming a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.